Hey everyone, I'm Joel. I'm a chef and entrepreneur. I started a company called Homemade, and our goal is to empower everyday people in the kitchen. We want you to cook more at home. And we know today that's very hard to do. I've got kids, we all have spouses, we have friends, we've got activities we got to do, we've got busy lives. And busy lives sometimes mean cooking gets shoved to the wayside. So we wanted to come up with a system. We wanted to come up with an approach that you can lean on every single week to make sure your week gets sorted. And we're calling that the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 approach. And this is basically a shopping list. So what we're saying is buy 5 vegetables, buy 4 protein, buy 3 fruit, 2 starches, and 1 dairy. And each week we're gonna send out a new list that you can kind of lean on, shop the list, and we can give you all this amazing inspiration on how to use that list. Now, that list only works if you've got a great backbone of staples at home. And so I want to show you what I typically have on hand. And it's not a lot. You don't need a ton of ingredients at home. I remember being at college in a dorm room and having some of these basic things and whipping up some really good meals. So big thing is you always need some sort of fat, whether it's butter or olive oil. I love an acid, something that kind of pops. That could be lemon or vinegar, something sweet that just kind of offsets that acid. So that could be honey, a little bit of sugar. I always have eggs, some good milk. And as long as you have these ingredients, you kind of have the table set for an incredible week ahead. So stay tuned. We're gonna get your week sorted together.